The goal of this video is to show how to configure the HMIBX1 as SiteManager. Here are the steps we will follow to install and configure the HMIBX1. First, we will see where to download the SiteManager file. Then, we will configure the Ethernet port to have access to the network. Next, we will install and configure the SiteManager. And finally, we will connect to our SiteManager through Secure Connect. You can find the SiteManager installation file on Schneider Electric website. Download the file. Unzip the SiteManager file and copy it to a USB key at root directory level. Then disconnect the USB key from the PC and connect it to the HMIBX1. In the BX1, we will start the configuration and installation. First, we have to configure the BX1's Ethernet port. We configure the Ethernet port 2 in DHCP to connect it to our router. We ping to check network connectivity. Now we proceed to the SiteManager installation and configuration. We will create a Secure Connect folder. We check the content of our USB key and copy the SiteManager file from the USB key to our Secure Connect folder. We unzip the file. Use the cp command to go to the directory created by unzipping the file. Check the content of our directory. Run the command to install SiteManager. Now you need to enter your Gate Manager account information. These informations are available in the mail you receive when you order a license. Enter Gate Manager's IP address and domain token. Enter the name of a SiteManager which will be shown in the Gate Manager. At the end of installation, we reboot the HMIBX1. To log in, use the certification you received by email. Select and attach a valid license. Start the Link Manager. If needed, configure the web proxy. You can ping to confirm that the connection is established. Now we can connect to the BX1 remotely via Secure Connect to update the equipments connected to the box or to download applications. For more details about Secure Connect configuration, please visit the Secure Connect playlist on our YouTube channel. Here are the videos linked to Secure Connect.